Hi, I'm James Bedham. I'm the leader of the Green Party of Manitoba and candidate in Fort Garry Riverview. I want to tell you a little bit about the Greens and why you should vote Green on April 19. A bedrock principle of Greens everywhere is that we have only one home, planet Earth, and we must care for our home to ensure the survival of humanity. Another is that we must care for one another. These intertwined principles, caring for one another while caring for the Earth, they form the foundation of our platform in the 2016 provincial election. If the Green Party of Manitoba were to form government, we would immediately reform our tax system to provide each adult Manitoban with a guaranteed annual income. The incomes of Manitobans who currently live below the poverty line would rise by 22% on average. The poverty rate in Manitoba would decline by nearly 50% in the first year. Additionally, a Green government would invest $166 million per year on measures that would reduce greenhouse gas emissions and create jobs, such as fare-free transit, building retrofits, wind and solar energy production, and green technology research and development. We would also reduce the lowest income tax bracket and reduce payroll taxes. And to pay for it all, we would introduce a $50 a ton carbon tax that would raise nearly $500 million per year. Let's make polluters pay more and have earners pay less. That's what the Green Party thinks. In this election, we're offering the people of Manitoba big ideas, because the challenges that confront Manitobans are huge. We must be bold, imaginative, and creative to meet our responsibilities to this and future generations. There's much more to be said about the Green Party and our platform. I encourage you to visit our website, greenparty.mb.ca. And of course, on April 19th, vote Green. Your kids will thank you for it, and so will theirs.